Welcome to the SoFi Bank review. In this video, we will take a look at all of the different products and services that the SoFi Bank offers and also some potential drawbacks. Now, what is SoFi? So it is known as social finance and it is an online-based financial institution. It uses remote customer service and therefore has no branch locations. And it is best for those who want to earn high interest and don't mind using a remote customer service instead of bank branches. And you can also access your money by using more than 55,000 nationwide ATMs. Now let's take a look at some pros and cons. So there are no monthly maintenance fees and there's a fee-free ATM access. So as I said, you can access your money at more than 55,000 fee-free ATMs. But you also have no overdraft fees. And on the other side, there are fees for cash deposits and you need a checkings and savings account, so you cannot open up one or another. And account holders get a debit card that's tied to the checking account. Now let's talk about the checking and savings account. So about the savings account, the SoFi savings account allows you to earn a competitive yield as long as you have direct deposit. So SoFi offers a 4.5% APY. A savings account is only for customers with direct deposit at the bank. So customers without a direct deposit at SoFi will still earn a much higher yield than the national average, but SoFi's direct deposit yield is much more competitive with the top online banks. You can't withdraw from the savings account at an ATM. That is also very important to keep in mind, but you have the option to get both a checking and savings account, and you can transfer money from your savings to your checking account and then withdraw from the checking account at an ATM. There are also no opening deposits as said, but you need to remember you can't just get a savings account at SoFi, you need to get both a checking and a savings account at this bank. So let's talk about the checking account. You won't have to pay an overdraft fee for overdrafting $50 or less, but that is only available to qualified customers. But I will talk about that in just a second. Secondly, the checking account offers a competitive yield of 1.2% APY. However, you need a qualifying direct deposit to earn the top yield on your checking and savings account. And that means only customers with qualifying direct deposits of more than $1,000 are eligible for up to $50 of overdraft coverage on debit card purchases. Now let's take a look at the SoFi loans. So SoFi has many different borrowing options, and some of the loans you can choose from are private student loans, personal loans, and mortgage loans. So for example, if you need a personal loan to pay for home improvements or you need to consolidate debt, you might be able to borrow up to $100,000. The SoFi Bank also has low to no fees, so it does not charge any origination fees, prepayment penalties, or late fees on personal loans. And that makes them, I think, a transparent and cost-effective bank. Borrowers can choose repayment terms ranging from 2 to 7 years, depending on their financial preferences and goals. Now let's take a look at the SoFi credit card. So SoFi is one of the few platforms that allows you to host your banking, investment, loan, and now credit card all in one place. And you have no annual fees, and there are also no foreign transaction fees. And you get a 2% unlimited cashback on eligible purchases. So the card earns a 2% cashback in the form of points per eligible dollar spent, which is worth about half a cent each in cashback if you redeem it as a statement credit. To receive the full 2% value, you can choose between applying your rewards to pay down SoFi loans, transferring rewards to your SoFi banking account, or adding to your SoFi Invest balance. And also, one unique feature of the card is the ability to redeem your rewards for cryptocurrency via a SoFi investment accounts. SoFi also has vaults and roundups. So with SoFi checkings and savings, you'll find some useful automatic savings features that SoFi calls vaults and roundups. So vaults are earmarked saving goals that you can set up within your SoFi savings account, and these are not separate accounts but just extensions of your already existing savings account. If you want to, for example, save for travel or an emergency fund, you can do so through SoFi vaults, and you can have up to 20 vaults open at any time. SoFi also has a roundup feature. So with the roundups feature, purchases are rounded up to the nearest dollar each time you use your SoFi debit card. And the rounded portion is then transferred to the vault of your choice. So if you spent $3.90 on a coffee, your purchase rounds to $4 and the additional 10 cents move to your designated vault. Now let's take a look at the SoFi Access. As an online bank, SoFi offers ways to keep tabs on your account wherever you are, and SoFi members can access their accounts 24/7 through the SoFi's websites or its mobile app that is available for iOS or Android. SoFi's mobile app includes many standard mobile banking features. I've listed them here, but some of the most important ones are peer-to-peer transfers, debit card freeze, and budgeting. Now, I'll also want to show you the top 3 potential drawbacks. So the first one is limited branch access. The SoFi Bank is primarily an online-based institution, which means it doesn't have physical branches like traditional banks. The second one is limited advanced investment options. So while SoFi Invest provides a solid foundation for beginners and intermediate investors, advanced traders or those seeking a wider range of investment options may find the platform's offerings somewhat limited. The third potential drawback is the dependency on digital platforms. So this means since it's an online-based bank, your access to SoFi Bank's services is dependent on a digital platform such as their website or your mobile app. So if you encounter any technical issues, it may impact your ability to use and manage your accounts. And so that's pretty much everything you need to know about the SoFi Bank system. Now, if this video was helpful, make sure to like the video and thank you so much for watching.